Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to curve text in Photopea on a PC or laptop. And if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So to do this, it's actually quite simple to do. So the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously come across to photopea.com, and you just want to go ahead and open up your document, and basically what you want to do first is get some text on there. So if you come to the menu on the left hand side, what you want to do is click onto this type tool, so this picture of a T, and then you're just going to click anywhere on the actual canvas, and then you just want to type what you want to type, like so. And then once you've got your text ready to be curved, it's very easy to do. All you need to do is basically hold Ctrl and A to select the whole of the text, and then at the top of the screen where you've got these menus, you want to come to the one that says warp, and then you're going to get a box pop up that looks like this, and then from here next to style you need to click onto this box where it says none, and then just go down and click onto arc. So this is going to bend your text. You have got some additional things you can do. So you can move this little bar here to change where it bends. You can also sort of bend it this way, so you can have a little play about and, you know, get the text how you want it to be done. Also you can change the orientation, so you can click on this and set it to vertical, and you'll see what's going to happen. It's going to change it to this, so you can bend it in different ways. So obviously just have a play about and get it to the style you want, and then once that's done, obviously just go ahead and click this OK box down here, and that's going to set the changes. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.